Welcome back to my channel, friends. In today's video I'm going to show you how to prepare this face scrub mask. It's a papaya face scrub mask for skin lightening. It takes away dark spots, it takes away pimples, and it's going to give you a skin glow. It's going to make your skin to glow and lighten up. So I'll be needing this amount of papaya, and I'm just going to grate it. Is 1 teaspoon of papaya, grated papaya. So the next thing I'm going to be needing is going to be a half teaspoon of almond oil. Is a homemade almond oil. And the next thing I'm going to be needing will be a 2 teaspoons of sugar. Brown sugar is what I'll be needing in this treatment. And the next thing I'm going to be needing in this treatment is going to be a lime. I'm going to be needing a half lime. I'll slice it into 2. I'll use 1 half. I'll just squeeze the lime juice inside everything, and yeah, I'll mix it up thoroughly. Make sure you mix everything is completely mixed before you apply on your face. And before you apply on your face, make sure your face is clean. You're going to wash your face first before applying it on your face. So you are going to use this 3 times in a week if you are starting to use face scrub mask for the first time, or as time goes on you'll start using it twice a week. This face mask works better on the nose. If you have this kind of blackhead or dark spots on the nose that refuse to go, it will take it away as quickly as possible. This is very great. It's very good. The papaya there will grant you a lightening skin. So after applying it, I let it sit on my face for 20 minutes, and here it is dried. I'm going to wash it off with a normal water at room temperature, as I've always done that. Then after, I'm going to moisturize my face. You can keep this for as long as 2 weeks. It's not going to go bad because the lime in it already serves as a preservative. So if you like my video, guys, please don't forget to like, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the bell so I know when I upload another video. Thank you so much, guys, and bye.